Conor McGregor flaunts his new Lamborghini Yacht, the supercar of the sea. Can you guess how much it costs? McGregor, who earned $180 million last year, unveiled a new extravagant purchase, a Lamborghini 63 speedboat. It is 63 feet long and powered by twin-man V12 engines, each capable of producing 2,000 horsepower. With that kind of power, the 24-ton vessel can reach a speed of 60 knots, making it one of the fastest boats in its class. This is the 12th edition of 63 that were made, and it cost $3.6 million. Subscribe for more content. So